Thanks for joining us. Let's discuss the most important tools you'll need in the concept and design phase of a hardscape job.
Right on, Nick. Thank you. Yep, there's a lot of tools that we have for you. We have a catalog that's right in front of you. You want to go through how a catalog can be a tool?
Yeah, absolutely. So the way that this is designed by our team here at Unilock is with the homeowner in mind, and it's really project focused. It's not just a book of pretty pictures. We're trying to give people a tool for them to plan their project accordingly. Whether that's paver selection, choosing a proper paver for your intended use, there's information about choosing a proper contractor. This is for professional landscapers. And we want to make sure that the homeowner is educated in those aspects as well.
Sure, and there's also a section about our warranty.
Yeah, the information regarding our transferable lifetime warranty is in here. And that's just, again, another tool for you to be able to give your homeowner confidence in what you're installing. This is, a major undertaking for people, and not everybody does this type of renovation. Some people, this could be their first and last time. So, as you get used to it, you kind of fall into the routines, but for somebody who doesn't know, this is a really great guidebook. The product section of our catalog is really only one small section of it.
Right, and this might be a good time to loop in your TM. They can help you walk through the catalog and all the little intricacies in there.
Yeah, absolutely. We're happy to help with product selection. If you reach out to one of us, we can even help you out with some samples.
Right.
We're more than happy to label up and deliver samples to your job site.
Yeah, this is a service that we offer, and actually on our new Contractor website that just launched, there's an access point to actually request a sample.
I'm so glad you brought up the Contractor website, Jay. There are a ton of fantastic tools on there for you. There's a product calculator.
Speed calculator, yeah.
The speed calculator.
The project bin.
Unilock.com. Enter in as a contractor. You can store all of your projects in the project bin. Again, there's a lot of different tools and information there. You can find cross sections and just again help you do some takeoffs.
Sure. And since your initial visit, you might want to bring a few measuring tools. We have a U level here. It's it's not basically. It's a really advanced version of a water level. It's got an app for your smartphone. They can talk to each other through Bluetooth. And you can do a survey as fast as you can walk a property now. And we have a Uvision 3D software. The U level and the software speak to each other through that app by saving a file. You can import that file into the Uvision app and it'll build a topography for you.
Yeah, and all of the information that you're capturing on the app, you can easily export to an Excel document and you can share it across your crew. Jay, for those who are maybe a little less tech savvy, maybe a little bit more old fashioned, there is another tool that you can use to take your measurements, and we see them quite often out there.
Yeah, you want to grab that measuring wheel?
Absolutely.
So Nick's going to do a little tour around here, and it basically just, you can zero it out and it's going to walk, it'll measure how many feet you've walked. It's a really handy and quick tool to take a good measurement of the property or the project size, and then you can get your square footage calculated.
Yeah, and again, all of this stuff and being able to do a really sharp measurement is just going to help you build an accurate quote, make sure that you're not leaving any money on the table.
Exactly.
So Jay, with that, I guess that's pretty much it for the conceptual and design phase for the tools that we'd like to present. These are just some of the tools that we love to make you as efficient as possible.
Awesome. Thank you.